Alright, let's see you go, Timothy. I'm recording you. No pressure.
He's crooked.
Is he crooked?
He's sitting crooked on the seat.
Oh, he's sitting crooked on the seat.
Mommy, hold it up. Thank you.
We'll see how this looks. I'm using the telephoto on it. And
don't forget to come back. Right, me?
That little boy. I am about to accept the go of the road without your helmet.
Hey, get the helmet on first.
Gotta get my safety first. Safety, sorry or sorry. Safe or sorry? Safe or sorry? Yep.
The wind was right there a bit.
Now the street's doing that tail.
Oh, the street, nothing. You wings are right. Put your helmet a little further forward on your head, Robert.
Huh?
There.
No wonder I was so tight.
There you go. Good job, Robert.
Very good form.
Alright, Timothy, you made it.
Yay!
Remember to stop before you get to the edge.
Stop. Good job. Woohoo!